Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet. Enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Yes.
Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
Arabic, Arab.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do. Notes. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.